So we're under the truck. It's a little bit crusty in some areas. This back panel here's got some rust, and a little bit right here in the bottom of the rocker. And in this top, or this front body mount area. Other than that, the floorboards look pretty good. This main brace around in this area is all okay. The fenders don't seem to have any rot. But somebody has cut the cross member out of the middle. I'm not sure why. She ain't locked up. She turned just fine. Very nice. Well, at some point, somebody did an awful lot of work to this thing. It has an electric fan, and the plugs and wires, they look like they were replaced at one point. They're definitely old. But I'm really starting to wonder if we were to drop a battery in this thing, it has a quadradet. Huh. I'm very fascinated here. That is an HEI distributor. Look at that.
I want to see.
It runs and the fuel pump works. Okay. So tonight on the live, we did get it to fire up. We did get it to run on its own. It is currently able to run on its own fuel tank. The starter is weak. The clutch does not disengage. There is no brakes. But the engine runs, and it sounds pretty damn good. I did find this cool thing. If everything is right, and that is the original rear end, this thing has a Detroit locker in the back. How fucking cool. How fucking cool. It's fucking orange, guys. Oh, I'm so much happier with that. I'm just hitting it with some Ajax or Comet or whatever the fuck you want to call that shit. Look at that. It just turned from that peachy color to orange. Alright, C20 update. All the airbag stuff is ordered. We got brake line replaced. We got the fuel line replaced. We got the donut gaskets put in the exhaust. Sorry, the neighbor's mowing. We got the doors all working properly. We got the windows all working properly. We got some floor mats in and some gauges. Alright, springs are out, the rubber bump stops are off, all of these are loose. We're waiting on replacement rod ends and adjusters, new ball joints, and we're still waiting on our bag kit. Okay, borrowing this thing from a friend, and we'll just see what it'll do. I might not have the right head on it either. It's starting to cut in there. It's loud though. Damn, that's loud. It's got like that weird looking end. How low can you go? Well, kind of expected that. However, oh yeah, she's almost bottomed out on that. So we're as low as it'll go, and it's just barely touching. So we're gonna take the grinder and we're just gonna zip that right along that radius. And as for this side, oh yeah, look at that. Fucking A. I bet you when the bag gets on there, it won't even do that. So we're just gonna roll this inner fender and she's gonna clear. Oh God, that looks fucking great, y'all. Oh, she's badass on that. Look at that.
That's a semi.
Yep.
But what does he put on his back?
Turn this key on, that thing should fucking kick. Alright, keys on. Working awful fucking hard. 2 more items checked off the list. Wired up, ready for the tank.
The guy that ran the thingy on the truck, and you took it off and you started working on it.
Yeah.
And that's my truck.
That's your truck.
That orange one.
So why aren't you working on it? Why am I working on it?
So it's fixed for you to drive for me, and you might need to take the seat out. You'll find a seat to put in the orange truck that you can keep and leave the one in your truck and Mom's car in the orange truck.
Oh.
And on the 4 rollers.
So it's your truck, but I'm working on it. And I have to drive it?
Yeah, for me.
I have to drive it for you? Okay.